How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troy's here, and today I'm going to show you how to make some keto flatbreads with only 2 grams of net carbs per bread. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want to. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Keto flatbreads with only a few ingredients. You can't go wrong. I'm going to show you how to make these right now.
All right, first we're going to start off with our dry ingredients. 1 cup of almond flour, 1/3 of a cup of psyllium husk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix until combined. Now to add the wet ingredients. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of boiling water, now to add 2 eggs. Alright, the mixture has been mixed thoroughly. Now it's time to transfer this onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. We have our baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Alright, now we're going to top these off with some sesame seeds. Time to place these into the oven, preheating at 450 degrees for approximately 25 minutes. Alright, 25 minutes have elapsed. They look incredible. Can't wait to try these. Alright, now for a taste test.
I can't wait to try these keto flatbreads. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on it so you could cut them in half. Look at that steam, fresh out of the oven. Let's try it. Wow, that's really good. Tastes just like a flat bagel without the carbs. This is incredible. Look at that. Delicious. You could make sandwiches out of these. They're so versatile. You could do just about anything with these flatbreads. Man, thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troy signing out.